Hey guys, it's Mr. Randrick here coming at you from the 222. We're ready for our period 1, going over how to do some binomial calculations using Excel. What? All right, now, if you look at number 3, which we did, you guys remember we looked at number 3 and we did it? We used a binomial model. We used the binomial model. And we used our calculator to get the number of combinations, 190, I believe it was. All right, so let me show you how to do this using Excel. So I want you to go to cell A6. Cell A6. I mean, no, it doesn't, but I'm going to go in A6. Okay? And what I'm going to write down first is I'm going to write down N equals 20. I'm writing N equals 20 because that's the number of total donors. N equals 20. Then I'm writing X, capital X, equals 2 because the number of my successes is exactly 2. Is everybody good so far? Yeah. And then my probability of success, P, equals 0.11. That's my probability of success. Any questions on those 3 pieces of information? Pablo?
N is the total?
N is the number of total donors.
Okay. And then
20 donors. The number of successes is the probability of success is P. You got it. Here we go. I'm in cell. Yes?
Why is X capitalized?
Why is X capitalized? Yes, Shyla? No, Shyla, I got you, Shyla? No, Shyla.
It's the expected value.
It's not the expected value. But if it was Shyla, hold on. Shyla's answer, was there different questions? All good. Shyla's answer would be right if it was the capital E of that X. Then it'd be expected value. Which just X, Alyssa?
It is number of trials until the first success occurs.
Actually, in this case, it's the number of successes. But there's actually, we're going too specific. If we go more generic, Pablo? It's the random variable. The random variable. Why is it random? Because it can take different values with different scenarios. Does it have to be 2 out of 20? No. It could be 6 out of 50. All right? Here we go. Cell C6 equals, all caps, binomial, binom, period, DIST, distribution, open a parenthesis.
Does the dist range matter?
What?
The dist and then the dist range.
Just type what I've got. Binomials, all caps, period, DIST, in all caps. Now, it's really hard to see, because mine is very small, but it says number underscore S. That is the number of successes. How many successes do we have?
20.
No. 2. So type 2, comma. It says trials. 20 people, 20 donors, comma. Probability underscore S. That's the probability of success. 0.11, comma. Now here we go. This is where it gets confusing. We are looking at exactly 2 out of 20. I'm going to say it again. Exactly 2 out of 20. All right. So you're going to type in all caps false. False. And then close it.
Why false?
Exactly. This is Mr. Frederick. He's at 220. Yeah. Enter. Questions?
Yes.
Yes.
Why is it false?
Because it says exactly 2. Whenever it says exactly the number, you're going to use false. Wait a minute. I'm waiting. All right, great. Let's keep going.
No.
Okay, sorry. Yes? Alyssa, yes? No? Okay.
Everything you read.
Oh, no. Okay. Number 4. Number 4 from your problem says, what is the probability that at least 2 of the first 10 donors has type B blood. Yeah.
I have a question.
Yep.
So, in the first one you said if this is exactly, it's false. So
Correct.
does that make this one true? Because
Yep.
you're that-
You know it. Here we go. How many trials or donors are there?
20, 10.
There are 10. There are 10. Now, this is where it gets crazy, so really listen to what I'm asking. How many successes are there?
One, at least.
At least 2. So here's what I'm thinking. Here's my brain thinking out loud, Ed Sheeran style. At least 2 means 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10, 4 out of 10, 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10, and 10 out of 10.
That's 8.
So watch. I'm going to write, wait for it, 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, comma 8, comma 9, comma 10. Now, before I hit enter, what numbers do you see are not there? 0 and 1. Keep that in mind. We're going to need that here in a second. What is our probability of success? 0.11. All right? Now, I'm going to go to cell D12. So we're going to get a little crazy. Are you ready?
No.
Okay. Equals binom, all caps, period, DIST, open a parenthesis. Ooh, you know what? Let me hold on. Let me take a look at that range for a second. Do you have that too?
Yeah. That's why I asked you the difference.
Ooh, yeah, let's do this. Let me see if we get the same answer. Okay, trials. How many trials?
10.
There are 10 trials, is right.
Oh, wow.
Comma, the probability of success. 0.11. Now, let me see if this is going to work. I know this might not work, so I'm going to have to go back to what I was going to do originally. But let's see. I'm taking a risk on YouTube. I'm going to lose subscribers if I fail this. So here we go. At least 2 out of 10. What's the lowest number you see up there that I put for x equals? 2. So I'm going to write 2. Comma. What's the highest number? 10. Oh, one time. Please make this work. Please, please, no error message. Woo! I want to give a shout out to my period 1 class for being there to help me realize that there is a dot range as well. So thank you. What'd you say? Yeah. All right. So, any questions? Should I scroll over again? You can see at the top here. Does everyone see it up at the top? Yes? Everyone see it at the top? You will need to do this tomorrow on Excel. We're going to do a group activity, and you will need to do this for... Woo! He got it too! On Excel. Now, on the test next week, real quick. On the test next week, we will not be using Excel. Okay? So, but I will ask you to do, listen, this is important, guys, because you're going to forget this. Shh. I will ask you to do problems like number 3, where it says exactly, but you're going to have to use that combination button in the PRB on the calculator. Okay? So you will have to know how to do that. All right? Excellent. All right, this is Mr. Vrandrick signing off from 222, the Triple Deuce, saying so long. See you next time.